I am Srinivasan Rajendran. Today we are going to discuss about a topic called comma operator. So in C, as of now we have been discussed so many operators, but comma operator is a special operator. Okay, not only comma operator, we have size of operator, arrow operator. There are so many special operators which are available in C programming. The one of the special operator we can say it is a comma operator. So that's why in the definition itself we have been given special operator. It's a special operator which separates the declaration of multiple variable. Okay, so when you declare a variable, how will you declare a variable? A equal 5. 5 is a value, a is a variable name, and comma followed by b equals 6. Okay, what does it mean? There are two variables which are separated by comma. Okay, and this is the only operator which has a lowest precedence. Okay, this is the only operator in the sense among so many operators this one has a lowest precedence, and it returns the value of rightmost operand when multiple comma operators are used inside an expression. Okay, so for example we'll look at the program. In the program you can clearly understand that why it is using the rightmost operand when multiple comma operators are used inside the expressions. Okay, but the primary focus of the comma operators are three things. One, it can be used as an operator in expression, and we can say it is a separator while declaring variables, and instead of semicolon, in the place of semicolon we can use a comma operator also, which means that, like, sir, can I use a comma at the end of the printf? If you use comma at the end of the printf, it means that the line is not getting terminated. Okay, we'll see these three things in a simple program. Just look at this program. Okay, so hash include stdio.h int main, and followed by I am declaring a variable called j. Okay, and apart from that we can declare other variables also, that is separated with comma. A equal 5. Okay, anything you can give, that's not a problem. So what is the first thing? It can be used as a separator while declaring variables. Okay, so if you declare so many variables, for example b equal 8, c equal 10, you can declare so many variables. Here comma as a separator. Okay, here comma act as a separator. Fine. And what I said, operator in an expression. Let us take this expression. This is an expression. What is this expression tells about? J, okay, j equal 10 and comma j plus 20. But I am putting inside the bracket. Why I am putting inside the bracket? Because comma has a lowest precedence. And how will you evaluate the operators? It will evaluate from the left hand side to the right hand side. Here j equal 10, and the next time what is the value of j? J 10 plus 20, 30. Now the I value will be stored as 30 because it is evaluated from left side to right side. And what is the meaning? It returns the value of the rightmost operand when multiple comma operators are used inside the expression. So j equal 10 comma j plus 20 comma is act as an operator when multiple operands, but it will take the rightmost value. Why? It is executed from the leftmost side. The recent value will be stored here. Okay, so once the value is stored, then the comma operator will execute because this is the lowest precedence. So in the bracket at last it will have a 30. So that value will be stored in I. So that's why we are trying to print I value and j value. You can understand that what is the value of I and what is the value of j. And apart from that, as I said, it uses a place of semicolon. Just look at the line number 7. Printf first line comma, and then printf second line comma, printf third line comma, printf last line, which means that the printf also we can separate it with a comma. Okay, instead of semicolon, if you put comma, the line is not getting terminated. So that's why if you get execute this program, my I value becomes 30. Even you can use anything like j plus 50. Now what, j equal to 10, 10 plus 20 which is 30, again j plus 10, 10 plus 50 which is 60. Okay, I value is 60, the j value will be remain same. So operators, okay, it can be used to separate the variable, and if it is used inside the expression, you have to evaluate the expression very carefully. And one more thing, sir, if you remove the bracket, okay, if you remove the bracket, what it will show? It will show us an error. Why? Because comma has a lowest precedence and it doesn't know how to evaluate this. Okay, that's why you are putting a bracket. Okay, because comma has a lowest precedence, it doesn't know how to evaluate this. So if you put inside the bracket, bracket has the highest precedence. After careful evaluation, it starts from this side, which means left side, j equal to 10, and substitute j value and substitute j value here, and then it will be assigned to the I value. Okay, so this is what about the comma operator. There are three main points which you have to understand. Operators in an expression, it is act as a separator while declaring a variable, and it can be used as the place of semicolon, and make sure that this has the lowest precedence. I hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Please click the like button also. And if I want to make a video on more topics, please leave it in the comment box what topic I have to take as a video. So I am not a teacher. I am going to learn along with you. If any mistakes are also there, you can please leave it in the comment. Thank you all.